Good morning, traders. This morning you are looking at very frozen market. This morning you are looking at pullback from Alpha Fibonacci resistance. We will address that next. This is our last morning in the trading room before we go into 10th annual bootcamp. In 10 years of Fibonacci Trading Institute, this is 10th annual bootcamp. And this is what students share this morning before we go into the bootcamp, as trading room will reopen on November 9th. Can Bitcoin 6% one day, 120 trades out of 120 wins since March 2020. Dow, very different instrument for Mel. 61 points scaled out from 5 contracts. Stunning work, flawless work, incredible effort. This is Mel's third week in the course. Emmanuel, 19 points on NQ. Flawless and stunning. 3 traders, different instruments, 3 traders, different accounts. Funk, first week in the course. 50 points Dow. And as Ken shares, cryptocurrencies are easy because it's a bull market. And as Anderson supports other traders, phenomenal trading, everyone. Markets are a pain. Markets are not easy. These traders will be in annual Genesis Trading Bootcamp. As Jason supporting others, as Ken supporting Funk first week in the course. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. The most important part of your trading to obey Alpha Fibonacci support, Alpha Fibonacci resistance. The only option, as we discussed with students this morning, to short from Alpha Fibonacci resistance. Scanner giving you short alert. There was no other option this morning. None are present. Days in advance, intelligent trader knows and understands. At Alpha Fibonacci resistance, your only option to short from. At Alpha Fibonacci support, your only option to buy from. If I convert this chart to 1, what do you see? This is the power of the system. With Alpha Fibonacci method, you know this days, hours in advance. You will never need anything else. No matter if you trade 1, 5, daily, weekly, monthly charts, choice is yours. This is a system on Dow this morning. In the bootcamp, we will be moving to S&P. As of night of the election, volatility will come back. Number of trades on Dow 10 to 1 to S&P. S&P will come back. Your opportunities on S&P exponential. On S&P you can trade any lot size. On Dow you are limited to lot size. With Alpha Fibonacci system, identical power applies to any chart you choose to trade. Here's in front of you identical level on oil. Is everyone seeing this? Oil stuck at Alpha Fibonacci resistance for the last 3 months. Gold reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Hedge fund manager in the course was acquiring position at bottom on gold. This is war zone on gold between Alpha Fibonacci support and Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Intelligent trader and investor knows how to manage this trade. But if I take a look on Amazon, it's bearish correction. Amazon reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone 2936, critical on Amazon. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you can buy the bottom. You don't need to lose sleep when Amazon reaches reversal zone. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you identify this months and years in advance. But if you choose to trade euro, no problem. your ultimate buy point on euro at ultimate Alpha Fibonacci support since March this year. Despite COVID, euro skyrocketed. Now euro overextended, frozen, not far off from reversal zone. And if I take you back down to Dow, did we know or did we know that the only option this morning to short from? Watch what happens next at Alpha Fibonacci support. And again, it doesn't matter what chart you trade, choice is yours. Is it daily crypto? Is it monthly stock? Is it options? You decide. Every trader different account, every trader different time frame. The power of the system, it applies to it all because it's based on pure price. So when Emmanuel bringing his wife Jennifer and his best friend Adnan and Gerald bringing his brother Derek to the course, it's the best compliment I can ever receive because I love what I do. I cannot get enough of power of Fibonacci. You will never need anything else. Pure price for entry and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci for exits. That's all that matters, no matter what you trade. You can trade system on any account, any time frame, any platform, any instrument. You decide what you want to trade. And if you want to day and position trade, of course you can do that. As students do this globally in 50 plus countries every day for the last 10 years. From micro account to multi-million-dollar account to multi-billion-dollar account. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. So every single one of these traders making a serious effort. And that's a beautiful thing when traders supporting each other. As Jason says, you're in the right place, Bill. You'll be there before you know it. As Bill supporting other traders. This is what life is all about. Powerful system with powerful community. Every trader decides what instrument trader wants to trade. Choice is yours. So again, we are monitoring this critical support. We knew hours in advance where key support will be. I'm converting this chart to one traders. This is market open at support. This is where buyers stepped in with vengeance. This is support in front of you right now. Boom. Are you ready? This is when intelligent trader preparing carefully, understanding the power of congruency. So again, no matter what chart you trade, we're stuck at this critical support, correct? Intelligent trader understands and knows to never ever ever short from support, to short from resistance only. The response at support currently very different than the response at the open, extremely different, very weak. Intelligent trader knows what separates powerful response versus worthless. Price is stuck. Power at the open. Knowledge is tested currently. If I convert this chart to any chart you choose to trade, identical formula remains. Market stuck. In the last 4 days, non-stop buying at this level. If you will ever choose to short near this level, your success rate less than 2%. You're monitoring for power of longs. You're monitoring for synchronicity. You know what identifies that part. This is the importance of bootcamp, where you will learn difference between power versus weakness. Never be chopped up by weakness. Never touch market when market in indecision. This is pain. And if I take you back to 1, you see it instantly. It's pain. If you know Alpha Fibonacci system, pain only, no power. Nothing in common between support now versus open. Nothing. Market stuck, frozen, testing you to the core. If I take you back down memory lane, I would like to remind you the importance of this level. This is critical level. This is crucial level. This is the level that was key next target after last election on S&P. Crucial, critical, 2300 level. Key resistance. And when price reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone and price selling off, intelligent trader understands that 2300 is critical support. That's where buyers stepped in from when bearish correction 2019 has ended. And if I take you to 2020 on S&P, you knew many months in advance where critical opportunity to buy will be. And when price reaches this level, on Black Thursday, when the news is blaring, the world is ending, the market in free fall, intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader knows if trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. Top 1% is the one that's throwing news at you. Top 1% is the one that owns news channels. Top 1% buying market from this level. But this is a level in front of you right now on Dow. Ooh. Did you know it's a key support? Of course. You never ever short near. Correct? So if you're choosing to buy the market right now, you understand what's critical in front of you. This pink line will test you to the core. This is what intelligent trader knows and understands. Congruency is crucial. Jumping on bandwagon randomly will never work. Boom. That's the power of the system in the worst market conditions. You decide what you want to trade. That's the only option that was present. You will never ever need anything else. And that's what intelligent trader does every single day. Buying at support, selling at resistance. With Alpha Fibonacci system. With institutional bias. If you're trading without, you are gambling. If you're trading with institutions, you think and trade as Goldman Sachs trader does. You're moving your stop outside of break-even. You're scaling out carefully. You're protecting your profits. You're trading your $100 account, $1,000 account, $10,000 account with millions and billions of dollars. We knew this is the only option. You never shorten your support, your only option to buy from. And if I remind you what played out on Dow during the crash, this is a reminder. Dow in free fall, my goodness. But Alpha Fibonacci support in front of you. It reached on Black Thursday on March 23rd, the news in panic, the market in panic. The market is closed because the market in free fall. Alpha Fibonacci trader remains unwavered. Alpha Fibonacci trader understands. This is where top 1% buying the market, not shorting near. And that's what played out on Dow. Boom. This is where billions of dollars traded. So if you operate as Goldman trader, this is your most important chart. I know, I mentor them. And when I work with JP Morgan trader, what does he do? He leaves JP Morgan, he starts his own hedge fund. Boom. What is stopping you? You simply have to make an effort. You knew months in advance where Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone will be. Correct? And when a bullish rally starts reminding you what to pay attention to, you're not surprised, correct? You look at your little chart, your $100 or $1,000 or $10,000 account, and you trading as Goldman Sachs trader. Boom. It never gets sold, I promise. I don't believe in followers. I don't live as follower. I live as leader. I mentor leaders. I raised a leader. It is that simple. Stop thinking as majority. Stop succumbing to panic. Top 1% loves crisis. Crisis is always opportunity. So keep your fingers crossed that market will set up for the biggest crush. Because top 1% loves crashes. It doesn't matter if it's billion or two less. It doesn't matter if it's 100 million plus or 100 million less. So if you understand how they think, if you understand that they own the news, latest, biggest rally during the worst crisis is a stunning reminder. If you know where institutional buy zones are, you never trade against institutions. The same thing that played out on Dow, the same thing that played out on S&P is exact same thing that played out on Goldman, JP Morgan chart as playing out in front of you right now. So if you're trading your little account with them, you are a brilliant trader. That's it. You will never need anything else. Only Alpha Fibonacci system. So please don't drive and trade. Please don't. Gerald shares another winner. Yes, Gerald pulls over when he trades. Yes, don't drive and trade. And when Jason takes 3 points on gold, and when Richard takes 3 points on Dow, it's again shows you the power of the system. As the manual says, Alphys, remember, one trade is all we need. Absolutely. Because you think as a trader who is moving billions of dollars, you are not trading as a gambler. You are trading as a brilliant, intelligent, top 1%. That's it. Don't drive and trade. So here's a post from Gerald from October 19th. On October 19th, Gerald said, 26 trades following the rules, only one loser. And you see other posts from traders. This is from yesterday. Boom. It never gets sold, I promise. As Gerald says, and many traders says, many trades, lots of money. As Gerald said, my brother will be joining you. He's excited. He joined us. Derek coming to boot camp. You decide what you want to trade. And remember, in this room there are traders who are trading micro accounts. So when CME trader join us who's trading 800 lots during 37-year career, it means the world. And it never gets old. But I'm only asking you, don't drive and trade. Don't do what Gerald does, please. The biggest thing that means the world when trader with 37-year experience says, thank you. You make trading a joy. You trade as strategic trader. You are done being a gambler. You are done thinking as majority does. And when the emails pouring how traders bringing their friends, Carlton's friend Joe joined us, it's everything to me because I love what I do. And that's the power of the system. Gerald reporting 40 trades now. That's it. You will never, ever need anything else. Only this. Mel is sharing Dow 31 points booked with 2 contracts running. 2 weeks in the course. And when Mel is sharing out with 64 points and inviting me for dinner with his wife, it means the world. It's another reason I love what I do. As soon as we're done with this craziness with COVID, I will be traveling the world meeting the students. From Florida to New York, to Italy, to London, to Dubai, to Malaysia, every trader different account, different time frames. Of course, Dallas, here we come, let's go. That's community of traders all over the world. Every trader different experience, every trader different account, every trader different instrument, different time frame, different everything. You can trade it all with Alpha Fibonacci system. Simply obey the rules. Simply make an effort. And that's it. Coming from 37-year veteran trader, I'm coming to visit you, Gerald, I promise. That means the world. As Gerald says, I thought I knew it all, but you are the best. I promise you, you will never, ever need anything else. You only need Alpha Fibonacci system, no matter what you trade. So if you're coming to the website, please review and you will see. System traded on all platforms since 2011 on all instruments. I finally released software for retail traders in 2019 for Ninja 8. Currently we are offering Bootcamp with Genesis system. 2 systems for the price of 1 with Bootcamp. I promise you I will not be teaching Genesis again for at least 3 years. So if you will listen to podcasts, to Emmanuel, to Ken, if you will see traders you just saw in the trading room, and you will listen to Gerald's podcast on the students' podcast, I cannot wait for your photo, Gerald, to put on the website because the world loves listening to experienced trader who values the system. So if you're joining us right now for group or private mentoring course, you are very fortunate. Private mentoring completely overbooked. I can only speak with you if you are flexible. 99% of students finish private mentoring within a couple of months. Because within a couple of private classes, I put you into complete sniper's mode. You execute and you place and you choose your ultimate trades. Because if complete beginner trader can do it, if a child can do it as you listen on the podcast, so can anyone. System is not complicated. There are no indicators. It's you and your ultimate brain power and your effort. All the details about Bootcamp under Genesis Trading Bootcamp. please review. And if you're fortunate enough to grab the last spot, it's one of the most important decisions of your life. If you make an effort, as these traders have done, this is your life-changing event. And if you view students' performance section, more and more updates, more and more emails coming your way. Tens of thousands of emails over the years shows you what's possible if you make an effort. It doesn't matter if you're a child. It doesn't matter if you're an experienced trader. You decide what you want to trade. And when you make an effort, you become spectacular trader. And you can trade any instrument. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As Fang shares again, I love it. Thank you, Allah, for such a wonderful program. First week in the course. Made another 60 points on Dow. And Gerald will send another update, so please share your feedback, send me emails, inspire others, because it shows what's possible if you make an effort and if you obey Alpha Fibonacci rule. Because if you take a look on this price action, it's flawless. It shows you the power of the system, the power of support, no matter what you trade. Thank you, traders, for an incredible morning, again and again and again.